Well, there guys, there it works this way. See, I'll have to take the grill out though, because you see, take those bolts out in the winter. But yeah, she goes up and down, man. Look at that. Now I got to be careful with this. How am I going to show you how this is going to work here? Put this camera down here. Can we see her? Can we see her? Put her up on this. Put her up on the battery charger. No, I just try not to knock it over. Let's see. Can we get the view of this? Yeah. Okay, battery charger's on. Medium. She goes up that way. Reverse the power. Oh, I got this phone. I'm kicking this phone off and on. Dialing 911 before long. Calm down. See? Wonderful, eh? Back up. Look at that, eh? Hey, wonderful. Anyway, yeah, I haven't put the other braces in yet. I was just trying this out just to make sure. You don't want it slipping off this thing. What am I stepping on there? It's all like I'm stepping on the phone again. You don't want it slipping off that thing. So I got to put boards up a little higher here, and this side, and then brace them all the way through so it can't come off there. But anyway, that's about the height of it. How's she look? Got to paint that blue in the front there, some color, eh? But yeah, that'll work. That'll work just fine. But wishing I didn't have to take the grill out, but well, that's all right. It's only 4 bolts. So anyway, catch you later, boys. It's the Hillbilly here.